Hi friends, I just received this product today. This is like ironing plant that you can use to put in your wall. Look like this is high weight, and I think that this is the part that you put in your wall. Look, this. You put this in your wall, and then when you put it, you just open this part, and you can use it for your clothes right here. So let's go put it in the wall, and let me show you how to use it and how to adjust your product for a better use. So as you can see, our product is already installed. Let's go use it. As you can see, it's so easy to open. You can use the secure in this part to a better stability. So your product came with this this part to put in it. As you can see, we can use this so easy, so comfortable, it's resistant, and the size is perfect for all your clothes. So I highly recommend this product for your home because it helps you to save space. Its practice is so strong and good quality materials, and when you don't use it, you just have to put it this way and ready. So I highly recommend it. See you.